Alright, this is an early 1960s Lakewood model X-22 20-inch box fan. Picked this fan up at a flea market a couple months back for 20 bucks. It was worth it. That's a really cool fan. You don't see a lot of these around, especially not this one in particular, because this fan uses a Marco motor. Not many Lakewoods had a Marco motor. It looks identical to a Macmillan motor, but you can tell it's a Marco because of the oil hole. Macmillan motors from this era had an oil tube and it stuck out the top of the motor. This one has an oil hole in the front of the motor, just like all Macmillan motors did, or Marco motors rather, until probably mid-late 80s. So this is a pretty cool fan. It runs really well. It's got a nice low. The original switch broke on me, so I had to put that one in. Low is that way and high is that way and off's in the middle. This fan sees a lot of use out in my garage, but it's getting replaced by my super electric box fan because it's rustier and more beat up, so it's more fitted for out there. I'd rather this fan not get any more dings and scrapes in it than it already has until I can match up this color to an identical one and get this sucker repainted, because it's got some flaking paint there, flaking paint there. That side's still good. And that side of the fan's okay, but this side is starting to flake out too. Bottom of the fan's actually almost perfect still. Need to shine out the blades some, and the grills, all steel woolly grills. You can see they got some rust on them, so it's not perfect, but it's in really good shape for an early 60s fan. It's probably a 61 to 64, somewhere around there. I know they stopped making the X-22 in the late 60s, so definitely can't be any newer than that. But anyway, that's it for this video, so as usual, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and look for a video of this fan all fixed up.